Okay, so we have the glass installed. It was a little bit of a challenge for me. I got a glue streak down the windshield here. So what I did was I sanded it up to 12,000 grit on the inside. That was a little bit of a job. And then I used the headlight lens scratch repair by Meguiar's. And I also used Meguiar's pre-waxing glaze compound. And I got rid of the streak. I've never been able to do that before. So not perfect. There's still a couple little things right in there, but I've never been able to accomplish that before. So there's a first, I guess. Went ahead and did the panel line black for the grill. Got that pretty well taken care of. I did chrome on the lights. Did the tail lights. Got the did the chrome for the backup lights. And I can't find my hood pins, so I just did chrome in there. So the next piece is to put the interior into the car body and then put it all together. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. That was easy. What I think I'll do is get a little glue on the tabs right here. Try to get that to sit down. Okay. Then we'll try to work, get those air filters off there. Try to work the everything together here. That's tight. That is a tight fit. You know, maybe I gotta going. It's going. Just being a little bit hard to get along with. Nothing bad. Almost there. Got this little spot right here. Oh, that's tight. Now, what I'll do is good looking car so far. Gonna be nice. What I think I'll do is I think I'll fiddle around with this a little bit more and get the front bumpers and the rear bumpers installed. And I think I'll make this my closeout. And the next time you see this car, it'll be fully finished. And we'll redo some of the chrome work, and it'll be ready for the showing. Appreciate everyone who's followed along. Hopefully you followed along till the end. Hopefully this has been a good build for you guys to watch. Picked up a ton of new subscribers recently. You all are making the channel a success, and I do appreciate that. I know I say it every time, and I mean it. Without you subscribing, this channel wouldn't be what it is. If you have any comments, any suggestions, anything you want to leave down below, just leave me a comment. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everyone be blessed.